In this video we are going to find a solution to count positions. Counting positions can be a problem because you see one position here on the chart, but actually we have opened 5 for the same price. And there are buy and sell positions to take apart, so let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that opens a random number of test positions and counts the number of sell positions. Let's see how we can do that. We start Metaeditor by clicking a little icon or pressing F4. First, we import the trade functions by including the Trade.mqh file. This allows us to use the trading functions provided by MQL5. Next, we create an instance of the CTrade class named Trade. This instance will be used to execute trade operations. The OnInit function is called when the expert advisor is initialized. Inside this function, we call the OpenTestPositions function to open some test positions. The function returns init succeeded to indicate successful initialization. The OnTick function is called on every new tick. Inside this function, we use the comment function to display the number of sell positions on the chart. The CountSellPositions function is called to get this number. The CountSellPositions function counts the number of sell positions. It starts by initializing a local variable named number of sell positions to 0. Then it loops through all the positions using a for loop. For each position, it gets the symbol using the positionGetSymbol function and the position type using the positionInteger function with positionType parameter. If the symbol on the chart matches the position symbol and the position type is a sell position, position_sell, the number of sell positions variable is incremented by 1. Finally, the function returns the number of sell positions to the main function. The OpenTestPositions function opens a random number of test positions. It starts by initializing the random generator with mathsRand using the current tick count from getTickCount. Then, it calculates a random number of test positions using mathRand modulo 10. The ask price is calculated using symbol info double with the symbol ask parameter, and the bid price is calculated using symbol info double with the symbol bid parameter. Both prices are normalized using normalized double with the digits parameter. A for loop is used to open the calculated random number of test positions. Inside the loop, the trade buy function is called to buy 0.10 lots, 10 microlots, at the ask price without a stop loss, but with a take profit set at 300 points above the ask price. Similarly, the trade sell function is called to sell 0.10 lots at the bid price without a stop loss, but with a take profit set at 300 points below the bid price. At the end, we press F7 to compile the code. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation works, we go back to Metatrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in Metatrader, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester, pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that opens a random number of test positions and counts the number of sell positions using a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, by now you should have a working expert advisor that is able to count the positions on your chart. I hope that the compilation process was successful. If you want to check out the premium course, you can find that one on our website. For now I say thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.